dropping down to near the freezing point tonight with frost advisories for a good chunk of the region. The exception right into downtown Baltimore, just because we have a little bit more marine air in place that's going to affect our temperatures from really hitting bottom out. Winds right now, though, they've been a concern for the last few days. Right now, looking at 10 out over toward Middle River, 9 in Stevensville. They should predominantly calm down to about 5 to 0 miles per hour once we get to right around sunset. So winds are no longer a concern. Instead, we have the colder air and rain. Substantial rain in our forecast. We have an area of high pressure. That system's kicking out the low. When those two get close together, we get the high winds. And so, as you can see, that low is moving further away. Instead, high pressure tonight, clear skies, light winds. That's what brings the colder air. What it's also going to do, though, is continue to move further out toward the Atlantic. And look at this. The winds wrapped around it. Scoop it up out of the south. So we get warmer tomorrow, closer to seasonal. This is the day to take the kiddos out to the pumpkin patches and the pumpkin farms. Go ahead and do some face painting out there, pick out a nice pumpkin and enjoy your day. Because by the time we get on into Sunday, look at all this moisture to our south. This one from our new tropical storm system, it's going to begin to edge into our region. And it does look like some models are predicting heavy rainfall. We need it. Our deficit right now about 5 inches, but boy, is it going to come our way. Focusing on your temperatures for you tomorrow morning. 36 in Westminster. This is why you need the heater on in Bel Air. 39 degrees. Remember, there's that little pocket. The closer you are out over toward the water, you'll be a little bit safe from hitting rock bottom. Annapolis going for 45 degrees. Once we get to 1 o'clock, we're back to about 60 degrees in the Inner Harbor, the same for Essex. I do think temperatures with all the sunshine are going to warm up closer to the mid to upper 60s for us, closer to seasonal for this time of year. When we get to Sunday morning, it's going to be a little bit warmer for us as well. You'll notice them closer around 50 degrees or so. But watch the difference by the time we get into the afternoon hours. We're only 57 now by 1 o'clock. We're not talking about 60s anywhere on the map. Out over toward Bel Air, 55. Chestertown, 56. These most likely are your highs for the day because of all of the clouds and all of the rain in our forecast. Now, this is one model indicating how much precipitation it thinks we're going to get. On Sunday alone, almost an inch in Parkton. Annapolis, 2 inches of rainfall, almost 2 inches for you into Stevensville. I do think this model is a little overdone, but you'll understand that the heaviest rain will happen further to our south, so this is not the day to hit the roads to head out toward D.C. You'll be traveling through what seems like a monsoon as far as moisture is concerned. The further north you are, the less precipitation amounts coming our way. And that's not the only rain event in the 7-day forecast. Check it out yourself. So we have 67 tomorrow, plenty of sunshine after the cold start. Sunday, cloudy, rainy, cool. By the time we get into Monday, a little bit warmer. And then Tuesday, we have another cold front on down, and this one forecast to be fairly strong as well, where we could see another inch of rainfall. Temperatures then staying on into the 60s, though, behind it. Let's look at your 7-day forecast, guys.